Audi S-Line S4. The lever on a British car at least is on the right hand side underneath the driver's dash. There's the black lever. Pull that, you heard a good click. Let's go to the front of the car. We've now got a finger gap here, just enough to get our fingers till we get to the release. Let's go to the badge. Above the badge, right in the middle, my fingers are now on a very wide, easy to find lever. Thank you very much, Audi. It's got an automatic strut. That makes life a little bit easier. Here's the locking mechanism there. And up here, this is what your fingers were looking for. Okay, so how to close, very easy. Check your oil, your levels, whatever. Make sure you put all the caps back. Don't leave any tools lying around. Drop from about a foot, 30 centimeters. That is the official way to do it. You heard a good click there. Now, my fingers, I can't move that. I'm double checking, that's probably closed. Okay, job done.